Hey, good morning, everybody. This is the Dash Mini Griddle. I like to use this to make a quick fried egg. Now, some people also might want to use this possibly to make some mini pancakes. So you can see the heat coming off of there. So I'm going to put a small amount of vegetable oil in here just so the egg doesn't, stick at all. So it's recommended to put a little bit on there. You may want to also put some cooking spray of some sort possibly. So I'm going to put a little dab of oil in there. Here's my egg for breakfast. So let's do this. Now I've seen some people cook this where they leave this open. Now, I'll be honest, when I like my egg, I like it cooked all the way, right? I like it cooked all the way. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this eggshell right here, chunk it in my garbage can here. Also, let's see, we're gonna get a tiny amount of salt for the little egg this morning here for breakfast on a Saturday morning. A little bit of salt. Very good. Now let's just close this up and let it cook. Now you can hear the egg cooking right now. You can see the smoke coming off of this. Here is, we can just take a peek at it, see what's going on. So it's cooking away right here in order to make sure it's fully cooked. So I don't like runny. Now you can see, there you go, you can see the egg running a little bit right there. I like to pop it a little bit and then go ahead and close it back down. Make sure that thing is fully cooked. Quick morning breakfast if you're on the go. You don't have to mess up a full pan. You don't have to pull the pan out and make a big ordeal. So this thing you just plug right in. So this would be good for somebody nice and quick on the go. Maybe college students perhaps. So you just need to cook your egg for as long as you like. Probably no more than a couple of minutes or so here. You'll hear it stop sizzling. You'll see the smoke stop coming up when it's first cooking. So you can tell that it's getting closer to being done. And again, if you want your egg with some runniness in it, then obviously don't cook it as long. I like mine cooked. So here's a nice little egg ready to go for breakfast here on a Saturday morning. Just slide it off. I'm good to go right there. So the Dash Mini Griddle. Now this is hot. This is very hot. But I could pop another egg in here real quick, real easy if I wanted to. So if you're looking for something to cook a quick egg in the morning, a hot surface, without going to all the trouble to get your pots and pans out, try the Dash Mini Griddle. It works for us.